Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Baby Shower Juegos is probably one of the most anticipated and cherished events in a parent's journey, offering a delightful opportunity to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a little one with loved ones through a variety of engaging and fun activities designed to create lasting memories and shower the expectant parents with joy and essential gifts. Number 5. Fepito Baby Shower Party Games. Pin the dummy on the baby game. Get ready for some giggles with this classic party game. It's perfect for baby showers, birthday parties, and any fun get-together. Inside, you'll find a large poster, a comfy blindfold, and plenty of pacifier stickers for all your guests to use. This large poster isn't just for playing, it makes a wonderful decoration for your party space or even as a keepsake. Simply stick the poster up, put on the blindfold, and let the fun begin. The stickers are easy to apply and reposition for endless rounds of laughter. Take turns trying to pin the pacifier in the right spot. The closest one wins bragging rights and brings smiles to everyone. From gender reveals to classroom parties, this game is a guaranteed hit for kids and adults alike. What we like? This game offers a large, reusable poster that doubles as decoration. If you're looking for an activity that also adds to your party's ambience and can be easily reset for multiple guests, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a visually appealing and interactive game. What people say. The games are a great icebreaker and keep guests entertained. The variety of games included is impressive, offering something for everyone. The instructions for each game are clear and easy to follow, making setup a breeze. Number 4. Party Hearty Funny Baby Shower Games, Blue Tummy Measure. Transform your baby shower into an epic celebration with our fun and hilarious games. Your guests will have a blast guessing the size of the baby bump, making it the perfect activity for any theme. This set includes 2 rolls of blue tummy measure tapes, each measuring 2 inches by 150 feet. They are professionally printed on premium paper, sturdy yet easy to tear, so no scissors are needed. Enjoy easy-to-play, funny baby shower games for everyone. These games are a great icebreaker and require no special preparation, ensuring everyone can join in the fun. It's incredibly easy to play, just open the box and start. Adults and co-ed guests will have a blast with this gender-neutral game that fits any baby shower theme. This tummy measure game is all you need to create lasting memories. Add some game gifts for extra fun and make your baby shower a cherished event for everyone. What we like? This option provides 2 generous rolls of tummy measure tape, making it ideal for larger gatherings. If you want a simple, no-fuss game that everyone can participate in without needing scissors, this is the one. It's great for co-ed showers and any theme. What people say. The games were a huge hit at our baby shower. Everyone loved the variety of games included. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 3. 78 PCS Baby Shower Game Sign Kit. Get ready for the funniest baby shower games ever. This kit lets you draw to your heart's content, making it perfect for both baby boys and girls. Quickly bring the party to life with these engaging games. The decorative sign provides clear instructions, making it easy for everyone to join in the fun. This comprehensive 78-piece set includes a wooden sign, a wooden box, small wooden blocks, and acrylic paint pens. It's a rich quantity and beautiful combination for all your crafting needs. These are ideal for baby showers, first birthdays, and other special occasions. They are fun, cute, and designed to bring a joyful mood and unforgettable experiences to your guests. Crafted with care, the wooden pieces are polished smooth with no burrs, ensuring they are safe to touch. The acrylic paint pens are also made with quality materials for confident use. The sign is approximately 13 by 20 by 0.5 centimeters, and the small wooden blocks are 3.5 by 3.5 by 3.5 centimeters. They are lightweight and perfectly sized for both children and adults to handle easily. What we like? This set brings a creative twist with its DIY crafting component. If you enjoy games that allow guests to express their creativity and make something unique, you should consider this. It's perfect for showers where you want an activity that's both engaging and results in personalized keepsakes. What people say. The games are a great icebreaker and get everyone involved. The variety of games included is impressive, offering something for everyone. The instructions for each game are clear and easy to follow, making setup a breeze. Number 2. Hearty Poopie Scratch-Off's Baby Shower Game. Get ready for some laughs with our fun and popular Poopie Scratch-Off game. It's perfect for creating joyful, bonding moments at any baby shower, regardless of gender. These games are made with premium quality, featuring 50 professionally printed scratch cards on sturdy cardstock. They are perfectly sized for easy and entertaining play. Looking for a way to break the ice? These engaging games are fantastic icebreakers that are easy to play and enjoyable for guests of all ages. We've made it super easy to play. With pre-applied scratch-offs and separated winner cards, you can enjoy convenient and confusion-free gameplay. Make your baby shower truly memorable with these hilarious games. They are designed to create unforgettable moments and are ideal for showers of any theme. What we like? This game features a hilarious Poopie theme with easy-to-use scratch-off cards. If you're aiming for a lot of laughs and want a game that requires absolutely no setup, this is your best bet. It's ideal for guests who love a bit of cheeky fun and appreciate a straightforward, entertaining activity. What people say. This is a great set of games for a baby shower. It has a good variety of games and they are all easy to understand. The games are well made and the print quality is excellent. The cards are sturdy and will hold up well to repeated use. I love that this set included games for different age groups and interests. It made it easy to find something for everyone to enjoy. Number 1. Hearty Baby Shower Games for Boy. Get ready to transform your baby shower into an unforgettable celebration. This kit is designed for maximum fun for all your guests. One of the most exciting games included is, How Big is the Bump? It's a fantastic way for everyone to participate and guess. The second game, Don't Say Baby, adds a fun challenge to the event. Guests must be careful not to utter the forbidden word. Your guests will have an absolute blast with these interactive games. They're perfect for keeping everyone entertained and engaged throughout the party. This set provides everything you need for a lively and memorable baby shower. It's the perfect addition to any boy's baby shower. What we like? This bundle offers 2 popular baby shower games, How Big is the Bump and Don't Say Baby, in a boy-themed package. If you're looking for a convenient way to get multiple engaging activities without the hassle of buying them separately, this set is perfect. It's great for parents expecting a boy who want classic, fun games. What people say. The games were a huge hit at our baby shower, everyone loved them. Great variety of games, kept the guests entertained for hours. High-quality print and sturdy cardstock, these games look and feel premium. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.